Hello, in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Recon. In this video I'll show you buttons functions. Firstly, the controller looks like Xbox One or X controller. Here we've got two analog sticks, pad, Y, X, A, B buttons, menu, share, options buttons, Xbox button, and then we've got chat and volume mixer, microphone mute button, super hearing, and mode button. Thanks to mode button, we can manage settings of the controller and super aim. On the back of the controller we've got two triggers and two additional buttons for mapping. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.